Hey everyone, Tim Marshall with Enlightened Equipment. I wanted to take a minute to talk about our new Centurion bug net and how you can install it on your hammock. When you get your Centurion, it's going to arrive in this double-ended stuff sack, and you'll see that it's the sack is really big for the bug net. And our hope is that you'll use this sack with the bug net and the hammock all together. So we size the sack so it'll fit your hammock when once the bug net is installed. So let's take a look at this thing. Once you get it out of your stuff sack, I'm going to just set this sack aside. You just need to locate the zipper. And the Centurion, it comes set up for head left sleeping. If you are a head right sleeper, all you need to do is turn it inside out and then follow all the other instructions that I'm going to give. Once turned inside out, then it will work for head right sleepers. But assuming you're a head left sleeper, like 99% of the world, we're going to keep it as it is. And we're going to pull it out and find the zipper. Once we find the zipper, all we have to do is stick our hammock in here. I'm currently using a Dutch square hammock that we sell on Enlightened Equipment. And this is really easy to do because all I have to do is unhook the hammock from the suspension. I'm going to let that swing away. I just need to feed this suspension, this continuous loop, through the end of the bug net. Then I can hook it back up. And basically I just pull the hammock inside the net as I go. It helps if you open the zipper up a little more than I did. There we go. And once we get to the other side, we just repeat by unhooking the hammock from the suspension, feeding it in the continuous loop through the bug net, make sure everything fits inside, and then hook it back up to the suspension. From there, you're 99.9% done. If you want, the Centurion also includes a couple shock cords with some mitten hooks on them that you can attach to pullouts on the head, the shoulder side, and the foot side that just allow you, if you want to pull the shoulder away from you, the feet away from you, you can attach these to your tarp and pull the bug net away, giving a little bit more space inside and keeping the bug net off you, off the shoulder and off the feet. But really there's not much to it. It's a sack that goes around your hammock. It's pretty easy to install. And if you sleep head right, just make sure you turn it inside out and it'll work exactly the same. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoy it.